The eternal dance of action and reaction is a constant in existence. Every thought and notion that passes through our minds ripples throughout the tapestry of life. It is said, "Vengeance is mine, I will repay, by the Lord." This eternal truth is an immutable law of correspondences. Ultimately, everything boils down to the law of cause and effect. This law is so absolute that even the smallest thought sets it in motion. It is astonishing how swiftly this law acts, almost catching us off guard. We are the architects of our reality, the directors of this cosmic play. If we find ourselves tangled in the web of old thoughts, we must rise above them and think more elevated thoughts. We are dealing with the unyielding law of cause and effect that never sleeps. It receives every thought and acts upon it without delay. The fascinating part is that even if we have been clumsy with this law, redemption is still possible. We don't need to falter, we need to pivot from the old path and embark on a new one. As we ascend, we transition from the old law to a new one that shapes itself just for us. When we yearn for the good, the shadows disperse and never return. The interplay between our inner thoughts and external influences is crucial for understanding how to control the outer world by mastering the inner realm. People often find themselves entangled in the web of societal expectations, mirroring what they see and echoing what they hear. It is the human condition to be swayed by the world beyond our minds, often becoming unwitting actors in a play we did not script. Our thoughts, because we are thinking beings, inevitably call forth events and circumstances into our lives. One profound truth to grasp is that our minds absorb everything they encounter, whether positive or negative. Our thoughts become the architects of our external reality. This is similar to the law of cause and effect, a fundamental principle articulated by great minds throughout history. Albert Einstein famously said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world." To seize control of the outer world by mastering the inner, we must safeguard our mental sanctuaries. We have the power to choose what we allow into our minds. We can passively mirror the outer world or consciously shape our thoughts and beliefs to align with the reality we desire. Shifting from reactive thinking governed by external influences to proactive thinking is key. Our inner world should be the source of our actions and experiences. The power of thought is a driving force behind the concept that controlling the inner world leads to mastery over the outer one. To demonstrate prosperity, it is imperative to immerse oneself in an abundant mindset. This practice involves engaging in constructive thinking and using language that aligns with prosperity. By focusing on abundance, our reality will naturally mirror those thoughts. It is essential to discard thoughts and actions that contradict the desired outcome. The world is filled with abundance, but our minds, conditioned by external influences, often resonate more with scarcity. Therefore, it is our responsibility to cleanse the mental landscape and erase negativity, doubt, and limitation. Mastering the inner realm through the spoken word is a powerful tool for controlling the outer world. Our words have immense creative power and must align with our aspirations. Affirmations play a pivotal role in harnessing the power of the spoken word. Consistently uttering positive statements with belief and intention rewires our thought patterns and beliefs, creating a mental environment conducive to manifesting desired outcomes. The law of reflection emphasizes the dynamic interplay between thought and experience. Our thoughts are powerful forces that shape our external circumstances. We can never experience anything beyond what we are mentally capable of conceiving. This concept aligns with the wisdom of philosophers and spiritual leaders throughout history. Our minds are both the canvas and the artist of our lives, painting a vivid portrait of our external world. To truly master the outer world by controlling the inner, we must align our thoughts and beliefs with the reality we desire. This requires conscious choices about what we allow into our minds and shedding old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve us. Living the truth is not just acknowledging the power of thoughts, words, and beliefs but embodying these principles in daily life. Living the truth involves aligning thoughts, words, and actions with the desired reality. It demands mindfulness and deliberate awareness of thoughts and their impact on experiences. Rather than reacting to external circumstances, individuals must actively shape their external world by shaping their internal world. This shift requires embracing a mindset of abundance, positivity, and growth. Living the truth is an ongoing journey of self-awareness, intentionality, and alignment. It involves actively embodying these principles and making conscious choices in daily life. Those who truly understand this carry an inner calm amid chaos and rely on timeless principles. Their mission is not to save the world but to exemplify the truth and let the world save itself. As more souls awaken to this understanding, the tapestry of reality is rewoven. We are all interconnected in the grand design, bound,